all our dear televiewers and subscribers of DepEd Hour Teleturuan. This is Rosemel Quijada, Junior High School teacher of Camp Pino National High School, your teacher presenter for today. Today is another day, another opportunity for us to learn something new about mathematics. But before that, let us have a short review about slope. In mathematics, when we say slope, it refers to the steepness of the line. And we can determine the slope of a line easily on a given equation if it is in the slope-intercept form or y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. On this given equation, we can easily determine the slopes and y-intercepts. The slope on y is equal to 5x plus 7 is 5, and y-intercept is 7. The slope on the equation y equals negative 9x plus 5 is negative 9, and the y-intercept is 5. But how about this one? Can you find the slope of this equation? Alright, our lesson for today will help you to find the slope of a line even if it is not on the slope-intercept form. Our lesson for today is about writing linear equation ax plus by equals c in the form y equals mx plus b or vice versa. At the end of this lesson, you are expected that you can write linear equation in the form y equals mx plus b to ax plus by equals c. Write linear equation in the form ax plus by equals c to y is equal to mx plus b. To start with, let us define first linear equation. Linear equation in two variables is an equation in two variables which can be written into two forms. It can be written in standard form ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. It can also be written in slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. M and b are real numbers and m is not equal to 0. Let us observe, examine, and discover how to write slope-intercept form to standard form and standard form to slope-intercept form. How do we write the equation y is equal to 4x minus 7 to ax plus by equals c? By this given problem, we can easily identify the slope and y-intercept because it is already in the form y is equal to mx plus b. The slope is 4 and y-intercept is negative 7. To write it on standard form, let us take a look on this procedure. The given is y is equal to 4x minus 7. To isolate the constant on right side of the equation, we need to remove 4x. By using addition property of equality, we have y equals 4x equals negative 7. Next is arrange the equation. Expression with variable x should be the first term. We have negative 4x plus y equals negative 7. Since x is negative, we will multiply the equation by negative 1 to make it positive. We now have 4x minus y equals 7. The standard form of y equals negative 4x plus 7 is 4x minus y equals 7. Another example. Write y equals 2x over 3 plus 5 in the form ax plus by equals c and determine its slope and y-intercept. In this equation, what is the slope? Correct. The slope is 2 over 3. How about the y-intercept? Right. The y-intercept is 5. Let us transform now this equation to standard form. The given is y equals 2x over 3 plus 5. Since there is a fraction on the given equation, let us multiply the equation by the LCD of each term of the equation to remove the fraction part. The denominator of y is 1. The denominator of 5 is also 1. The denominators are 1, 3, 1. By this given, the LCD of the equation is 3. By distributive property, we have 3y equals 2x plus 15. To isolate constant on the right side, we need to remove 2x by adding negative 2x on both sides of the equation. By addition property of equality, we have 3y equals 2x equals 15. Let us arrange now the equation to ax plus by equals c. We have negative 2x plus 3y equals 15. Since x is negative, we need to multiply the equation by negative 1 to make it positive. We now have 2x minus 3y equals negative 15. The standard form of y is equal to 2x over 3 plus 5 is 2x minus 3y equals negative 15. There you have it. We are about to have a short break. Please stay tuned for more discussion.